Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Push the subscribe button and join the family of lovelies. I'm gonna show you my go-to Valentine's Day look for a night out. So if you want to watch me slay this Valentine's Day look, then stay tuned. Getting started on my Valentine's Day look, we're gonna prime our eyes with concealer. I went in with my Rimmel London 25-hour photo finish concealer, went from brow to lid. Now for some shadows. I'm so excited to show you guys my take on a evening Valentine's Day look, so stay tuned while I get my palettes ready and my brushes ready, and we are gonna go to work. The first color we're going to be going into is this pink one right here. She is called FLIRT. She's a lovely pink rosé color, and we're just going to use that one as a transition color. And we're going to go in with the Morphe M441 brush. So let's get to loving.
I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is.
We're gonna dive into Lust. She's this beautiful red. And I'm just gonna put this in the corner and drag it in, but I'm gonna stop halfway.
Intersect on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing. Like night into morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you. Like we used
going to do the bottom lashes with the same color. I wish I could like put it all over my face. Hey, you know that there are, what is it called? Color contouring. Have y'all ever done that, color contouring? Drop it in the comments, let me know. I've dabbled in it. Maybe I'll do a tutorial for you guys. Color contouring. Do you want it? How badly? Well, I always take my color and I stamp it right about here, and then I blend it both ways. So we're just gonna darken her up a little bit and smoke her out. Smoke her way down, girl, because we're going bold today. Yes, we are. Just to darken this part just a tad, I still want to see that red shine through. We're gonna go in with seduction. Ooh. And I just want to darken just the corner on the top and the bottom, blending them together. Girl, these are like pigmented. Girl. Guys, the first shade we're gonna jump into is this one right here. This one is Aphrodite, and I just want to put just a little bit. I don't want a ton of gleaminess on my lid. I still want those matte colors, so we're just going to deepen the corner with this and then put sun all over the lid, and we are gonna slay, girl. Ooh, she is pretty. Girl, these are like hello pigment. All of these are really. With this one, we taking it back old school, girl, old school. Do you guys remember these guys? Do you remember them? Well, I am going to bring her back to life. So I just want to spray this, and we're gonna dive in to sun. Oh, that's lovely. All right, now we're just gonna do patting motions and fleek this eye, girl. We're just gonna go in with our fingers. Ooh, girl. Brush works. Brush works better than the finger? What? We're gonna go in with her right there. Now I also have her on my cheeks. And I have her on my nose. But first, we need to do the handy dandy stamp. Remember in my previous video, I showed you guys a handy dandy little trick? Well, we're gonna get our handy dandy jumbo crayon, and we're gonna jump right back into that. I got my pencil, I got my squishy, and we're going to town.
Change me, each one replace
Guys, so going in for an inner corner highlight and a brow highlight, we're gonna go in with hashtag all day because we love Valentine's. Hashtag all day. Guys, for a brow highlight, we're gonna go in with the same color because she is blinding and I want that brow on fleek. My brows like always have to be on fleek, even if I'm not wearing makeup like at all. Like, I feel like without brows I will scare small children. Like my daughter, she will be scared of me. I have to have brows. I just have to. Brows and a highlight. Girl, I would die without brows and a good highlighter. Girl, we are gonna kill them on this Valentine's Day, girl. I'm gonna liner and lash it and I will be right back. Yes, we are. We're gonna kill them today, girls. We are gonna kill them. Hey guys, I am lined, lashed, and ready for monochromatic lip. Monochromatic lip. Hey guys, I am lined, lashed, and ready for monochromatic lip. Monochromatic lip. Guys, just to give my lips a little bit of shine, we're gonna go in with Sun, that same color that we have on our lid, and we're just gonna 1-2 on the bottom lip and a little bit in the center, and she looks like so. Guys, this is the completed Valentine's look. I hope that you have enjoyed it as much as I have. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed beating the face. Products that you feel I should give my take on it, because you know a girl has a lot to say. Drop a comment below and let me know. I'm always open for new content and new products. Always, if you are curious to know any of the products that I am wearing on my face, or any of the brushes that I use during this video, just check down in the description box and you will find all of the information that you need. Get lovelies, we are only a few short numbers away from my hubby getting a full prom glam. Don't you want to see that? Like I do. I do. So share with your friends. Let's get these numbers up. Like, comment, show me some love.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's